Hi, Dr. Adriana Huertas from Synergy Oviedo Chiropractic. Life today is more stressful than ever. Constant pressure, endless to-do list, and the overwhelming demands of work, family, and social media can put all that stress in your body and mind and often lead to anxiety, depression, and a burnout. But here's the question. Do you know that chiropractic care can help with that? The answer is yes. Your spine is like a highway for communication between your brain and body. When it's out of alignment, it can create tension in your nervous system, making it harder for your body to manage stress and emotion. Chiropractic adjustments help restore that balance, improving brain function, reducing stress hormones like cortisol, and activating your body's natural relaxation response. By improving your nervous system function, chiropractic adjustments help you feel calmer, sleep better, and have more energy to take on your day. So my friend, if stress is wearing you down, chiropractic might be that natural solution you've been looking for. So if you want to learn more, visit synergyoviedo.com, but also book your next appointment.